Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Ladrigue, back with another travel adventure for the Good Vibe Journey channel. This time, we're diving deep into the heart of history, baby. We're talking ancient Greece, we're talking Athens, we're talking about those hidden gems, those off-the-beaten-path spots that most tourists never even hear about. So buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey to discover 8 incredible historical sites in Athens that will blow your mind. Let's go! First up, we're heading to a neighborhood that feels like it's straight out of a fairy tale, Anaphiotica. This place is like stumbling upon a secret village, nestled right beneath the Acropolis. Imagine this. Narrow, winding streets paved with cobblestones, whitewashed houses draped in vibrant bougainvillea, cats lounging in sunny doorways. The story goes that Anaphiotica was built in the 19th century by craftsmen who came from the island of Anaphi to work on the reconstruction of Athens. They brought their island architecture and way of life with them, creating this little slice of paradise on the slopes of the Acropolis. Walking through Anaphiotica is like taking a step back in time. The houses are small and charming with brightly painted doors and window boxes overflowing with flowers. Trust me, Anaphiotica is an experience you won't forget. Alright guys, next stop on our Athenian adventure, Philopapos Hill. This place is special not just for its history but for the absolutely killer views it offers of the Acropolis and the entire city. We're talking panoramic, Instagram-worthy vistas that will make you want to whip out your camera and start snapping away. It's named after a dude named Philopapos, a prince from the kingdom of Commagene, who lived in the 1st century AD. The Romans built a massive monument in his honor on top of the hill, and let me tell you, it's a sight to behold. As you climb higher, the views just keep getting better and better, until finally, you reach the summit. It's a view that will literally take your breath away. Okay folks, get ready for a bit of a somber but fascinating experience as we venture into Kerameikos, the ancient cemetery of Athens. Now, I know what you're thinking. A cemetery? On vacation? But trust me on this one, this place is unlike any cemetery you've ever seen. Kerameikos wasn't just any graveyard, it was the main burial ground for Athens for centuries, and it's filled with incredible sculptures, intricate carvings, and poignant inscriptions that offer a glimpse into the lives and deaths of the ancient Athenians. You'll see everything from simple grave markers to elaborate family tombs, each one telling a story. You might come across a statue of a grieving woman frozen in time, mourning the loss of her loved one. Or you might find a tomb adorned with carvings of warriors in battle, their bravery immortalized in stone. Walking through Kerameikos is like stepping into a time capsule, a poignant reminder of the fragility of life and the enduring power of memory. It's a place where you can connect with the past on a deeply human level. Alright guys, buckle up because we're about to dive into the heart of Athenian democracy, the Pnyx. This unassuming hillside might not look like much at first glance, but trust me, this is where history was made. We're talking about the birthplace of democracy. The place where ordinary citizens gathered to debate, vote, and shape the future of their city. This is the Pnyx, the meeting place of the Athenian assembly, where every citizen, rich or poor, had the right to speak their mind and cast their vote. As you explore the site, you'll see the remains of the speaker's platform, carved into the living rock, where the likes of Pericles and Demosthenes once stood, delivering their fiery speeches to the assembled citizens. Standing on the Pnyx is a humbling experience. It's a reminder of the power of the people, the importance of civic engagement, and the enduring legacy of Athenian democracy. It's a place where you can connect with the past, reflect on the present, and be inspired to shape the future. Get ready to be transported back to the Byzantine era, folks, as we venture into the tranquil oasis of Kaisariani Monastery, nestled on the slopes of Mount Hymettus. This place is a world away from the hustle and bustle of the city, a sanctuary of peace and tranquility that will soothe your soul. You're surrounded by lush greenery, ancient olive trees casting long shadows across the cobblestone paths, and the sound of trickling water from a nearby spring. As you approach the monastery, you're greeted by its elegant Byzantine architecture, its weathered stone walls adorned with intricate carvings and colorful frescoes. Step inside the monastery church, and you'll be greeted by a breathtaking display of Byzantine art. The walls and ceilings are covered in vibrant frescoes depicting scenes from the life of Christ, the Virgin Mary, and various saints. As you wander through the monastery courtyards, you'll discover hidden chapels, peaceful gardens, and quiet corners perfect for contemplation and reflection. Kaisariani Monastery is a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with your inner peace. Alright, history buffs, get ready to geek out because we're about to step back in time to ancient Athens at the Stoa of Attalos. Now this isn't your typical ruin. This bad boy has been completely reconstructed to its former glory, giving you a glimpse into what life was like in the heart of the ancient Athenian agora. Imagine this. You're strolling down a long, covered colonnade, the sun casting dappled shadows on the marble floor. This is the Stoa of Attalos, a massive two-story building that once housed shops, workshops, and public spaces in the heart of the ancient agora. Today, it's been meticulously restored, and now serves as a fascinating museum, showcasing artifacts and exhibits that bring the history of the agora to life. As you wander through the Stoa, you'll see reconstructions of ancient shops, complete with replicas of goods that would have been sold there. The Stoa of Attalos is a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of the ancient Greeks. Get ready for a journey through time, folks, as we venture into the Roman Agora, a fascinating archaeological site that reveals the Roman influence on ancient Athens. Now we all know about the Greeks, but the Romans left their mark on this city too, and the Roman Agora is a testament to their power and legacy. Imagine this, you're standing in a bustling marketplace, surrounded by the ruins of Roman buildings, their marble columns reaching for the sky. This is the Roman Agora, the heart of Roman Athens, where commerce, politics, and social life intertwined. As you explore the site, you'll encounter the remains of shops, administrative buildings, and even a public latrine. Hey, even Romans had to go. But the real showstopper here is the Tower of the Winds. This octagonal marble tower, still standing tall after all these centuries, is a marvel of ancient engineering. The Roman Agora is a reminder that history is rarely simple or one-sided. Our final stop on our Athenian adventure takes us to Hadrian's Library, a once grand complex that stands as a testament to the enduring power of knowledge and the Roman Emperor Hadrian's passion for all things Greek. Now, only ruins remain of this once great library, but trust me, they still speak volumes. Imagine this, you're standing in a vast courtyard surrounded by towering columns and crumbling walls, the sun casting long shadows across the ancient stones. This was Hadrian's Library, a magnificent complex that housed a vast collection of scrolls, lecture halls, meeting rooms, and even a garden. It was a center of learning, a place where scholars from across the Roman Empire came to study, debate, and exchange ideas. Although only a fraction of the library remains, it's not hard to imagine its former grandeur. Hadrian's Library is a poignant reminder that knowledge is power, that ideas have the power to transcend time, and that even in ruins the pursuit of learning continues to inspire. So there you have it, my friends. 8 incredible historical sites in Athens that will take you beyond the tourist traps and immerse you in the true spirit of this ancient city. If you're planning a trip to Athens, be sure to add these hidden gems to your itinerary. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel adventures like this, hit that subscribe button and join the Good Vibe Journey community. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep those good vibes flowing. Peace out.